Hello, this is video number 2, and we had a lot of requests from friends and some people on YouTube about the repair to the tailgate. So I'm here in South Carolina, and made it home. Getting ready to head back to Alabama again, and I thought I'd go ahead and show you real quick how I was able to repair my tailgate. After going to the dealer and they wanted $300 for a new lock, and there was nothing wrong with the lock, it just wasn't working. It wasn't broken. So you've got these, big fat Phillips screws, and there's 8 of them. Basically, you got these little body pins on the sides where you just have to pull the center pin out. I'm sure you've seen these, the little body pins. You push the pin in. For those of you who never done any body work like that, you push the pin in and it expands. So you just pull that center piece out. I'm doing this kind of live with you guys, live in real time. And it does have like a little sticky double-sided tape that held the bottom on, which is no longer sticky. So put that down there. Then you got this cover right here, and this thing is driving up. And this just lifts straight off. And I'm gonna bring you guys in. Look at this. Bear with me as So here's the mechanism, and it locks and unlocks. Hope you can see that well. And basically the problem I had was that little pin had so much slop in that little D space that it wouldn't unlock, and so I just put a zip tie. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there is a zip tie, and the thing works perfectly. Locking and unlocking. That's it. That's all I did. Pretty simple. Sometimes the simplest things are the easiest, right? So that's it. That's my big video for how I repaired my lock. Thank you guys. Bye.